In this video, we're going to be calculating the circumference when given the area. Again, circumference is unknown. Area is 50 and 24/100 inches squared. The very first step is to write down your area formula. A equals 3.14 times r squared. And then we start to fill in. Do we know the value of our area? It's right here, 50 and 24/100 equals pi, which is 3.14, and then times r, that's our radius. That is an unknown. I'm going to put it back, squared. From here, we need to get our r alone. So we're going to be working backwards. I need to use the opposite of multiplication because I have 3.14 times r, so the opposite of multiplication is division. I'm going to divide 3.14 on both sides. I need to keep my equation balanced. I'm going to draw a line down the middle, make sure whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Again, I'm dividing 3.14 on one side, and then I'm going to divide 3.14 on the other. That's going to allow me to cancel out 3.14 divided by 3.14 is 1, canceled out, leaves me with an r squared on the right side of our equation. Equals, and then 50 and 24/100 divided by 3.14, that gives you 16. Now my r is not alone yet. I have r squared. I need to find the square root of that. So I'm going to square root. If you have a calculator, then you will find the symbol that looks like this. Push that button and then put your number underneath it. So square root of 16, that gives me r on one side, and the square root of 16 is 4. Now that we know the radius, I can come over here to the circumference. My circumference is C equals 2 times pi, 3.14 again, times my radius. And we start to fill in. We're looking for the value of our circumference, so I'm going to put it back. And then I'm going to replace 2 times 3.14. I'm filling in my information. And then my value of r, my radius. I'm going to take my r, my radius over here, which is 4, and I'm going to come up around, and I'm going to input it for my radius right here. I now know that my radius is 4, so I have 2 times 3.14 times 4. And then I multiply across. My circumference is equal to 25 and 12/100. Now what do I label it? We're working with inches. Inches. Remember, this is circumference, so it's left alone with just inches.